Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video. So today in this video I am going to talk about the active elements or the active devices. So what are the active devices? Complete information I am going to talk in this video in a very basic manner. So please watch till the end of this video because this video is going to be very informative for you guys. So active elements are those type of elements which are capable of delivering the electrical energy or the electrical power to the system, and also it can be able to do the internal amplification in the system. Okay, so this is the definition of active devices or the active elements. So let us take an example of active devices. In case of a battery, the chemicals are stored inside. So battery is generally used to convert the chemical energy into the electrical energy. Remember one thing, every active elements are responsible to deliver the energy, but they can't produce the electrical energy, because we all know that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So that's why everything in form of energy, it can only be transferred from one point to another point, one form to another form. Okay, so that's why battery doesn't produce the electrical energy. It can only capable of delivering the energy or transfer the electrical energy from one point to another point. Okay, and another examples of electrical active devices that are generator and VJT, op amp, these are also the examples of active devices. So another thing is that you have to remember that active elements are capable of delivering the electrical energy for an indefinite amount of time. Okay, so practically it is impossible to deliver the power for the infinity duration of time, because practically it is impossible. So we are saying that it is capable of doing the work for the infinity duration of time. Okay, so it's all about the active devices. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys.